Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanna show you my Minecraft tour. So first I built this house right here. So when I first joined here, I built my first house here. And there's nothing here, alright? And then the second one is the store. The classic store. The basic store that I just built. There's nothing here, it's just cobblestone walls. And then the third one is the seventh floor hotel, and I call it 3-star hotel because there's nothing here except for climbing the most steepest stairs that I ever built here. So I want to show you guys the most coolest view after we reach this top. Alright, so I think we're almost here. There it is. And as you can see some buildings here, the village, my house, the store here, and the welcome to 7-star, 3-star hotel, and my portal right there, and my random structure and a Mario one. So let's just go down. So after I built this, I just built this village, so let me just spawn them so that they will go home and have a rest. And then the third one is this structure, random structure. And I want to show you guys the secret base I built here. It's no longer secret because I showed you guys. So as you can see, this is where I hide. Let me just cover up so that they won't find me. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. I just destroyed my secret base. Don't worry about it. So the last structure I built is the Super Mario one. It's very iconic to everyone right here. And I think I'm not done building anything here. So let me know in the comments what should I build. And then yeah, look at that. It's the beautiful Mario's pixel art here. Look at that. Okay, that's all for today's guys. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, stay safe.